with this demo how to use your movable pieces. So you want to make this a little bit smaller. And if you're going to upload these into student devices, you might want to go back here and make copies and just create, so with this copy, go in and delete, like maybe leave this title slide, but I would probably just delete a lot of these because students don't really need those, and it's up to you if you want to keep these, but I want to delete them just for the sake of showing. So what's important would be, for example, this one, and like lectura compartida. So maybe just keep like all of the lectura compartida for one and then just get rid of all the rest. Excuse me. So I'm just highlighting them and I'm going to delete, and then you can upload this, save it, and just upload this to student devices if you need to, or have it on your SmartBoard for centers, and then students can just move these however they need to. So that's one. We're not going to save that. And then the other thing I just wanted to show you really quick, basically we just went over it, is if you're going to use this like in your class, you can actually insert, this one doesn't have it, but you can insert your text box if you want. So you just go to insert, text box, and just put it in here and start. Buenos días. And then, make it bigger, smaller, however you want. And put the font in that you like. I'm just going to use this one. And that's how you do that. Now, if you want to not go through that whole process once you've made a box, just copy it, Control-C, go here, Control-V, and just kind of move it to where you want it to be. And there you can have your editables. So basically the way that you would use this if you're not going to make copies, which you might or might not want to do, make this sidebar small. I probably would make it as small as possible because you want to be able to see this as large as possible. And then that gives you space whether you're on your SmartBoard or on a device, and your slide will stay with you here. And then you can just have the kids move these little green markers over the words. And when you get to this one, it's the same thing. You just move it and move the red circle and put it over the syllables. Ma, and like that. I find this practical and useful for whole class. I think it's better for kids to write these in their notebooks and actually circle with pen and paper or pencil and paper, and you can find those on the in the centros. I hope that helps. Thank you.